Okay, the first thing you want to try if you ever have your screen resolution just seems like everything got much bigger or much smaller is to do what I think was already suggested to you, but if you press the control key and then the plus sign at the same time, you'll notice that it starts to magnify your screen, and then I can press the control button and the minus sign at the same time, and that's going to start to bring that magnification back down, and I can even go below 100%, and that'll make things less than 100%, right? So that's the first thing that you want to do, but I believe that you've already covered that option and you weren't successful, right? So I'm just going to reset that. The next step would be to go down to the bottom right where you have the time and click there, and then you're going to click on the little, click on the little gear icon that you see right there. It says settings if you hover over it. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to bring up another window. So basically, this is where all your computer settings are at. And the first thing is you can kind of just type in, like, where is the problem happening? What are you having a problem with? So in this case, maybe I'll just type in, like, screen. And you can see you get some things pop up like screen size, right? So I'll click on screen size. And you can see you've got this option here for display size. So you want it at 100%. If you're seeing things that are much larger, right? Maybe it accidentally, kids find their way into these screens somehow, and then they accidentally click something over here. And so as you click on this, the entire screen resolution becomes much bigger. So when I'm gonna go out of that, right? So even if you use the control plus and control minus, that's not going to resolve that issue. So go into those settings, and if you see any number that's above 100%, adjust it back down, right? So 105 is going to be slightly larger. You want that. If you want the standard size is 100. So that's what I'm going to try to. There we go. And of course, you can go below 100 if you wanted things to be, below their standard size, right? So give that a try and let me know how that goes. Change that display size to 100%, and then you can just X out of that and see if that resolves the issue.